What if dinosaurs never went extinct? Imagine walking outside tomorrow morning. Instead of hearing birds singing, you hear the thunderous footsteps of a Tyrannosaurus rex echoing through the forest. Would humans even exist? Would cities ever be built? Or would Earth still belong to the dinosaurs? Today we're exploring one of history's biggest what-if questions. What if the dinosaurs never went extinct? Let's find out. The real history. Around 66 million years ago, a giant asteroid, about 10 kilometers wide, struck Earth near what is now Mexico. The impact triggered massive earthquakes, towering tsunamis, and wildfires across the globe. Dust and ash blocked sunlight for months, causing temperatures to drop dramatically. Plants died, food chains collapsed, and around 75% of all species disappeared. Among the victims were the non-avian dinosaurs. But here's the twist. Not every dinosaur vanished. Modern birds are actually the descendants of small, feathered dinosaurs. So in a way, dinosaurs are still with us. But what if that asteroid had missed Earth entirely? The alternate timeline. Without the asteroid, giant dinosaurs would have continued ruling the planet. Massive herbivores like Triceratops and Titanosaurs would still roam forests and grasslands, while predators such as Tyrannosaurus rex and Velociraptor would remain at the top of the food chain. But the biggest change wouldn't just be the dinosaurs, it would be the mammals. Back then, mammals were mostly small, hiding underground or coming out at night to avoid dinosaur predators. Without the extinction event creating empty ecological niches, mammals would have had far fewer opportunities to grow larger or diversify. That means our distant ancestors might never have evolved into intelligent humans. In this timeline, Earth could still be a dinosaur world, with no people at all. Could humans still exist? Some scientists believe intelligence isn't unique to humans. Certain dinosaurs, especially small predators called troodontids, had relatively large brains compared to their body size. Over millions of years, could one dinosaur species have evolved higher intelligence? Imagine an intelligent dinosaur civilization. Instead of skyscrapers built by humans, perhaps reptilian engineers would design cities adapted to warm climates. Their technology might look completely different because dinosaurs had different bodies, senses, and ways of interacting with the world. Of course, this is speculation. We have no evidence that dinosaurs were on the path to building civilizations, but evolution often surprises us. How would Earth look today? Life on Earth would feel completely different. Travel through forests would be extremely dangerous. Farming would require protection from giant herbivores capable of destroying entire fields in hours. Many animals we know today might never exist, while others would evolve in completely different ways. Even the sky could look different, filled with enormous flying reptiles competing with birds. And if humans somehow did evolve alongside dinosaurs, our cities would probably be heavily fortified. Transportation would be designed to avoid massive predators, and daily life would revolve around surviving in a world where humans were no longer the dominant species. Instead of asking whether dinosaurs belong in zoos, we'd be asking whether it's safe to leave the house. The asteroid that ended the age of dinosaurs was one of the most important events in Earth's history. Without it, mammals, including humans, might never have become the dominant animals on the planet. So the next time you see a bird flying overhead, remember this. You're looking at the last living descendants of the dinosaurs. History didn't erase them completely. It simply changed their story. But here's a question for you. If dinosaurs still ruled Earth today, do you think humans would have found a way to survive? Or would we never have existed at all?